Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Product. If you are searching for the best compressed air duster that is powerful, portable, and eco-friendly, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a tool that can clean, blow, and even cool all in one. Let's get started. The Vasen compressed air duster is designed to make cleaning fast and effortless. Unlike traditional canned air, this duster is reusable, lightweight, and perfect for tackling dust in every corner of your home, office, or car. From keyboards to vents, it is built to handle delicate electronics and tougher cleaning tasks with ease. One of the standout features of the Vasen compressed air duster is its high-performance brushless motor. Reaching speeds up to 260,000 RPM, it creates a strong wind force of 45 meters per second and 260 grams of pressure. This means dust, crumbs, or dirt are cleared away instantly without the need for harsh chemicals. Plus, it offers 3 adjustable speed settings, giving you control for gentle or powerful cleaning depending on what you are tackling. Another great feature is its multifunctional design. The Vasen compressed air duster comes with 5 different nozzles, a brush, and a handy storage bag. This allows you to clean tight spaces like computer towers, keyboards, and car vents. Beyond dusting, it can even serve as an inflator, a snowblower, a BBQ starter, or a mini cooling fan, making it a versatile tool for many tasks. Portability is another strong point. Weighing just 0.68 pounds, the Vasen compressed air duster is easy to carry around. Its compact design makes it perfect for travel or keeping on your desk, unlike bulky or disposable canned alternatives. The Type-C fast charging feature fills the battery in about 3 hours, and you get up to 150 minutes of runtime on low speed, so multiple cleaning sessions are no problem. The build quality and safety features are impressive too. It has a liquid silicone handle for a comfortable grip, overheat prevention to keep it safe during long use, and a 3-second press function to avoid accidental activation. Its durability and eco-friendly design make it a practical choice for anyone looking to reduce single-use sprays. In real-life situations, the Vasen compressed air duster is a game changer. Whether it's clearing crumbs from your sofa, cleaning dust from your PC, or refreshing your car vents, it makes these chores quicker, easier, and more effective. It is perfect for homeowners, office workers, gamers, tech enthusiasts, and travelers who want a compact, reliable cleaning solution. If you want a tool that combines power, versatility, and portability in one, the Vasen compressed air duster is an excellent choice. Don't wait to upgrade your cleaning routine. Check the price link in the description, and if you liked this video, like and subscribe to Tech Product for more amazing gadgets. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.